Yes, madam. Okay, yesterday we talked about bar and bar chart, madam. If you have more than one measure, right? More than one measure, we can see the bar and bar graph, madam. Now, okay, if I want a bar line also we did it, madam. Simply I can go here, change the line for one graph, madam. See,
28%.
today 29, madam. 29 actually. Okay, see, madam. This is simply we can select this graph also. For one is okay bar graph, other one is a line graph. We can select this way also. This is the one bar and line mix, we can say. See, if we apply two like dual axis, madam, there are two axes for sales and see we took both are sales actually. There are two axes. This we call it as a dual axis, madam. Okay. Then if I say we have a blended axis. Blended axis means okay, all the measures comes for one axis. Okay, let's say here synchronize axis. Synchronize axis. Okay, there is an option, madam. Synchronize axis means this will values will be synchronized, madam.
Without synchronize, can you show how it looks?
Yes. Suppose these are okay. Suppose let's say I go on profit, madam. Okay, I go for profit. Okay, simply I say here it is a dual axis. Okay, see, madam, here 500, 300, 10k, 20k, 30k it is there. If I say synchronize axis, madam, both will be value should be same, madam. Okay, previously it is, madam. Okay, it is showing some other 0 to 50k, 100k, 100, 150k like this, madam. This is okay 0k, 120k, 10k, 20k something it is showing. But I want to sync them. Both axes should be in the same values as well. Then you have to say sync axis. Okay, synchronize axis. If you see this one, madam, see 0 to 50k, 0 to 50k. Same values. Okay, in the both axes will get the same values. Okay, this is also possible way, madam. This is also one possible way. This we call it as a synchronize axis, madam. That means in the both axes you will get the same set of axes, like what you can say, axis values. Is that okay, madam? No, this is also dual axis, but we are just synchronizing the values, madam. There is a blended axis. Blended axis means, madam, okay, both axes, okay, both these measures will focus on one area, one axis, madam. See, just we have to do it, madam. Just simply drag it here, madam. See, take other second measure, madam. Simply drag it in the one axis. See, both are lines only, but this comes in the one axis. You don't see the second axis. Yes, madam. Just to take any one measure, madam. Second measure something. Just to simply drag into here, madam.
Okay.
Simply drag it here, madam. Okay. In any one axis you drag it. Either here. You just simply drag it here. Now both the values, okay, comparing with one axis only. Both the axes will compare one axis. Both axes will compare one axis. It is kind of side by side bar graph, madam. If you have more than one measure also, we can do this one, right? All the measures will come in the one area. Okay, you can simply change the line. That's it, madam. Okay.
Will go synchronize it.
No, not synchronized, madam. That is blended axis. Blended axis actually. Okay. Blended, even if you have more than one measure also, madam, blended axis means okay, that will compare with one axis only. Dual axis means you will have two axes. Let's say I just to add quantity also. See, madam, n number from measures you can add. It will come under the one graph only. One axis only. It will
Then
come.
what is the difference? More difference between synchronized axis and blended axis is there?
Yes, madam. Synchronizes axis, madam. You will see the two axes only. The values only sync. Here if it says 0, in the same line if you see 0 only. Here it is 100k, Here also their axis, other axis also you will see 100 only. That is the syncing the all the axes actually, synchronized axis.
Okay.
Blended axis means you don't see two axes, madam.
Only one axis.
One axis for all the measures.
Okay.
But the values it will decide on its own.
Yes, madam. No. It will by default it will decide its own, madam. If you want, we can change it. By edit axis, madam. Click edit axis here. Here tick marks. You see by default it will say 1 lakh, madam. I can say 50,000 also.
Okay. Depending on the data.
Yes, madam. Depending on the data, see now 0 to 50k, 100k, 150k, or I want only 20k. Let's say you can simply change that one. Now see, madam, 0, 20k, 40k, 60k, 80k. We can change it. You can give 1000 also, but we have so many values, madam, right? Okay, there are so many
Yeah.
values. That is not readable format. So at least we can give 10,000 minimum something. Right. At least it can be readable something, madam, actually. Right. See, we can. This is also we can customize, madam. The axis also we can customize if you want. Okay. Do you clear, madam? Dual axis, blended axis, synchronized axis. Okay. People ask actually. Okay, what is the difference between dual axis, blended axis, and synchronized axis? Dual axis means you will have a both axis values.
Both axes
For,
different values.
for different, okay, different values. Synchronized axis, both axis values should be sync.
They will sync.
Sync actually. Okay, blended axis means only one axis for all the measures. Right now, this is the synchronized axis. Right. Now, okay, bar and line we created, madam. Now I want to do not. Yes, madam.
Even for blended axis as well as the synchronized axis, you can have two different graphs, right?
Yes, madam. For blended two
Because,
different. Two different graphs, no, madam.
only
From
line
the
there.
only line or only bar, okay, any one, madam,
Okay.
or only area, any one thing only.
So that is for synchronized axis and blending axis. Dual axis you can get two different
Two
graphs.
different graphs, yes, madam.
But for synchronized axis and the
You will-
blended axis you cannot
No.
get.
For synchronized axis also you will get two different graphs.
Okay.
Okay, because only you are
One-
changing.
Only the look is.
No,
changed.
only values are
Values
syncing. Okay, we are syncing, but it can have a multiple graphs. But for the blended axis, you should have only one graph, but for
Okay.
multiple measures.
Okay.
Okay, n number of we can add it here. Sales, profit, discount also we can add it. What you can
So
say?
we will read it as February sales.
Yes, madam. For February,
Sales profit
yes, madam.
discount
Could
is
count discount.
yes.
Yes, madam.
Orange portion is
Right,
we have
madam.
to,
Orange portion is sales, madam.
sales.
It has a more
This one
value.
is sales.
Profit is this one, madam. Quantity is here somewhere, madam. Very minimal values. It is lakhs of values, madam. Here only minimum values actually. Okay.
This can also
Discount we never see very minimal values.
So we can in properties we can tooltip we can.
Yes, okay. Values you want, madam?
Yes.
Yeah, values we can place
We
it,
can
madam.
keep.
Yeah, we can keep, madam. Values. This one, okay. We can keep all the values actually.
Okay. Incorporate.
Big, yes, madam.
Continue, sir. I'll tell.
Yeah, yes, madam. Okay. No, because the sales is very high value, madam. If I remove the sales, right, then at least you can see the values like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Even if I remove the profit, then you can properly see there are two values. So discount. Discount is very less values actually. Sales is lakhs. Here it is 1,000 only.
Yeah.
Yes, madam.
ఇంకోటి సార్ మీరు లేబర్కి డీటెయిల్కి మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి డీటెయిల్ వచ్చి రికార్డ్ లెవెల్
No, madam. Okay. Label is to just enable the values, madam. Values enable. Okay. Details means subcategories if you want to display, madam. Okay. Suppose, madam, I displayed this, madam. One or two graphs is coming. Now, if I place something, okay, row here detail, madam. See. Okay. Within that area, in the quantity, madam. Okay. You are displaying regions again. Subcategory. Okay.
Okay.
Quantity is category. Okay, I am raising within that within that quantity I am displaying subcategories by region.
That is the detail.
That is a detail, madam. Actually, detail to display the subcategories.
Is that like grouping maybe, or should we take
Yeah,
it
within
as
the
a
group
grouping?
subcategory madam, within the group another group actually.
Okay.
Group is the category. If I say subcategory, within the group one more group madam, that is the subcategory. See madam, within the quantity only. Now again I am showing 4 values. Okay, tooltip is, I think I disabled. Yeah, just to show the tooltip here. Now we can see madam.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's
Right, there are 4 lines again madam within the category. Here I didn't add that region madam. If I add region, you can see region 1, right? Yeah, if I give this one, now you can see east madam. Okay, this is for south, this line is for south again madam. Okay, there are 4 values here. I think somewhere this one is for central. Okay, within the quantity only I am displaying 4 categories madam.
ఓకే, ఇంకొకటి డేట్ మీరు పెడతారు కదా,
Yes madam.
హైరింగ్ డేట్ మామూలుగా మా క్వార్టర్ ఇయర్ అని వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వెన్ యూ ఐ మీన్ ఆ ప్లస్ సైన్కి మనము ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని మళ్ళీ లో లెవెల్కి వెళ్తూ ఉంటే కదా, ఈవెన్ దట్ ఈస్ కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్.
Oh no, that is hierarchy. That is not hierarchy. That is not a detail
ఓకే,
actually.
ఇక్కడ మన ప్లస్ సైన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది
Yes, yes,
బై
ma'am.
ఛాన్స్,
Yeah,
అది
this one.
మనము
No, that is a hierarchies actually.
ఇప్పుడు మనము
Okay, if I change this madam, graph will change. See,
ఓకే
graph is changing. But here the graph is not changing. That too values are adding actually. That is a subcategory. Okay, just values are adding. Okay, if you go for Gantt chart, no, I think scatter plot madam. Here we can properly see the detail madam. See, okay, previously it was there are so many values madam. See, so there are so many values, right madam? Here previously I removed this state madam. Okay, I just removed the state here. Previously there are 4 values I think. Where are those 4? Yeah, somewhere here madam. This is the actual categories madam. Okay, now here if I drag state madam, here state in the detail. Okay, now for this category, for red or south category, you will add more things but in the detail. See, there are so many colors madam with this. That is just adding subcategories with the same color. Here we can see the properly in the scatter plot madam. Okay, now see, this is the central only, but there are so many states with the same color within the center.
ఓకే,
That means that is a subcategory. To display the subcategories madam, we use the detail. Actually. Okay, clear madam this one? Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, now madam, now I would like to create other graph madam, which is a do not, as I said madam, pi, there is a goal actually, we'll get it right. Then we can create the do not, but for that we need to do some settings madam. Okay, take any one measurement, either sales. Okay, take 2 times madam, any one measure, profit or sales or anything madam, take 2 times. Okay, convert as a attribute madam. There is a ATTR here madam, where it is, yeah, attribute madam, convert this as a attribute. Okay, and convert both as attribute madam. What attribute do madam? Normally we have a function we told actually,
display star or something.
right madam, display the hashtag value if you have more values in that column. If you have single value, okay, it will display that single value. If you have more than one value, then it will display the hashtag madam, this one, like a star or hashtag. Now both I converted madam as a attribute, then it will display hashtag here and hashtag here madam. Then do the dual access. Dual access madam, what it does madam, both comes into the one place. Now see, both came into the one place madam. I can simply enter it. Then I simply change the size of it madam, because it is very low, right madam, a very small size. You can simply, okay, this way I just or you can simply say pie chart. You can simply say pie chart also. For okay, for all I introduced a pie chart madam. Madam, I introduced a pie chart. Okay, first I said I just the attribute madam, then dual access, then I applied the pie chart for all. Okay, for sales both I attribute. Okay, now what I do, madam, for one, okay, I decrease the size, madam. For one is a bigger size, one is the smaller size, madam. Then I apply the color. That's it. This is the donut. Just to bring this environment, okay, we have to add two measures, madam. Then convert as a attribute. Then add a pie chart. Then for one graph, okay, you size is big, madam. For one graph, simply change the size is very low, and then apply the color, madam. Then you will get this way, madam. Then simply you can see little bit also, right, madam. Then you can add a number of, suppose I want a region, madam, here. Okay, sorry, I go here in the region, I select it, madam. See, there are 4 now. Okay, add the sales here. Okay, now sales also in the size, madam. This is the donut chart, madam.
Sales you added as a label and sales you added as the size.
Yes, madam, size also, because this based on the value only, the size should be slice should be different size, madam. I just can add this one. Okay, just to bring this environment, madam, we did that one. Okay, this is also in okay, there is inner, right, madam. Inner also one pie actually. This is also one pie, but we are not putting any value there. Just we are using a color, that is a white color. Or you can add any color. It's not a big deal. Not only one color. You can simply go to this color as well, this color as well, or any
Both,
color.
like we have to take both as sales or
Same measures, madam.
Same
Same measures actually. Then only they
Just
will
to
come.
create that.
Just to go
different
that
color.
different, yes, madam. Just to bring that one actually. The white could be, it is little bit attractive, madam. Yeah. We can just do, okay. Just to try these options, madam. Just to steps. Then we'll definitely get confused. Tomorrow we'll explain more of this again. This is called as a donut charts, madam. Okay.
I would confusion.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
put the cursor in the
Here, madam?
Yeah, that is sales. Okay.
Right, sale, but it is asterisk is
It is
coming,
an
right, madam.
asterisk is
If you
coming.
don't want that asterisk, madam,
You
here
can
tooltip,
change it.
sorry, tooltip is there, right? Okay, remove this one, madam. Now you don't see anything. Okay, just we can see this one. Here, see, there are some zeros are coming. If you don't want headers, just remove headers, madam. Okay, see, all the headers are removed. This is one row. Here there are some lines, madam. If you want to do, okay, this also we need to go format. Okay, somewhere the lines can come, madam. Okay, tool tip, no pen, somewhere the lines can come. Yeah, madam, header something, madam.
Pine.
Here, madam.
పైన ఉన్నాయి చూడు బాక్స్ పక్కన పైన
Here, okay.
అనుకుంటున్నాను
Right. Yeah.
లైన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూడు
Somewhere this can be there, madam. We have to just see. Just the color could be there. Okay, the shading actually, shading. Okay, yeah, somewhere in the rows or maybe columns. You can check those. Okay, header also. Somewhere it could be there, madam. Simple thing we can see. Okay, let me go here and I will apply the pen. Pen is, suppose if I apply color on the pen, now we can see where this is exactly. Yeah, let's, I don't know, just we have to see, madam, this one.
What is it?
Madam?
We have to see what is it.
Yeah, we have some
Last
properties
one.
actually. We need to see them. That is not it. Okay, now it is coming this lines, madam, actually.
Right, okay.
Okay. Now we have to see that one. Headers, columns. At least if this color changes, we can identify which line it is. No, grand total. This one, yeah, I did it somewhere. Just we need to. Otherwise, clear all these things. This is the line somewhere. 0 lines.
Reference line, sir. Drop lines and reference lines.
Madam?
In this page only, reference line.
Reference lines, maybe yeah, we'll see, madam. That one also, I don't think it is there right here also.
Drop lines.
No, it's okay, madam. For this we don't need to waste time. This one.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it's
So
not.
change-
Just we need to select this only. Here only we need to select the properties. None somewhere. Yeah, I think this one, madam. None here. The colors. Yeah, this is the only madam actually. Okay. Now I can go here, madam. Okay, the line only I have.
Axis sticks in.
This one, madam. This one, right? Okay, I need to select this one simply. Same color I have to apply, madam. Whatever I applied as same. No, this one.
Any color choose that.
Madam? Zero lines, drop lines, grid lines. Oh, some axis sticks. No. Oh, just now we did it right, madam. This one. No. Run lines. This is also no. Clear all. I think here only we'll see, madam. No.
Change that.
Zero lines. Yes, zero lines, madam. Okay, change the color to whatever you applied the color. The back. Which color we applied?
Yeah, no, somewhere. Yeah, that's the one.
The same color. Now you don't see that line actually. Okay, this means it is a zero lines, madam. Now it will be fit in the same color. Okay, if I say if it is a white color, madam. Okay, it is the pen, right, madam? Okay, sheet. If I say white color here, now you can still see. Then go to the lines, right, madam? Zero lines, right? Still apply white lines, madam. Then you don't see that. We have to do some settings actually. And you can remove these lines also, madam. Okay. Yeah, we have to select drop lines and all. That can be selected.
And this is
Donut chart actually. Okay, this rename donut. Okay. Now nowadays somebody is saying lollipop chart also, madam. Different names they are keeping actually. We'll create the lollipop charts also, no problem. Here order, madam, simply just drag it here. Okay, month. I'm just adding two measures, madam. Okay, which is same measure. Okay, now I'm applying a dual axis, madam. Okay, here I go for one, I apply the bar graph, madam. Okay, for one I apply the circles, madam. Circles or shapes. Shapes is fine actually. In the shapes you can simply specify this one, madam. Okay, you can simply increase the size of it, madam, and decrease the size of this bar, madam. Okay, stand up to enter here. Yes, madam. Again, if you want to synchronize the both, you can synchronize the values or something. Yeah, this is one type of graph. Just to bring that in bar graph.
So
Yes.
you put the two measures in there.
Yes, madam. Two same measures, madam.
Mm.
Okay, if I keep other measure, madam, actually some value could down or something. This okay, circle will come sometime here also based on the value. Okay, if I put same measure, madam, then the value should be same. It will always come on the top.
ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చేస్తారా?
Yeah, madam. Okay, simply remove all these things, madam. Okay. Right. Okay, even if you don't want this, just a clear sheet, madam. Sorry. Clear sheet. Everything will go. Add one order, madam. Order, I just placed it here. Just take as a month or something, madam. Now, sales. Okay, both are sales, madam. Now apply the dual axis. Go to the second measure, dual axis. Okay. Now both in come one place, madam. Here for one I apply the circle or shapes, madam. Okay. For one I apply the bar graph, madam. Okay. In the shapes I want to shape, madam, this type of shape. Okay. And for the shape I am increasing the size also. Okay. For bar I am decreasing the size, madam. See, for bar I am decreasing the size, simply specify this one. Okay, for both are cells you can remove one, I think. Okay, one axis maybe, show header, you can remove one because both are cells only. We can only one measure, one axis is required. Now if you want to show the values also, madam, here I want to show the value, just simply put that values, madam, here. Okay, labels. Okay, alignment I can do in the middle. Yes, madam. Okay, there if you want the format, madam, go here in the format. Here, let's say currency custom and case. Okay, I don't want decimals even. Right, madam, and here you can simply apply some of the font and all, bold. Okay, little you can increase little. White color. See, madam, same. Display. Right, this is the lollipop chart, madam. If you want, you can change the colors also. It's not a big deal, madam. Can change the colors also. Not a big deal, but we can change it. Okay, whatever color. Maybe I don't know which color is suitable there. I don't know. Okay, anything, madam. Just change the colors and increase little size. Decrease. Now we'll get more.
So for one you applied bar, for the other you applied as a circle.
Circle, madam. Yes, shapes you can take, or circle also you can take. In the shapes we have multiple
Yeah, I
options.
know.
Okay, just we can select that. This is the just you can apply any shape, madam. It is not something one shape actually. You can change any shape, madam. See, plus shape, this shape, star shape, anything you can change it. Okay, so this could be good, madam. But it is nowhere using, nobody using this, madam. But they have different names actually. Okay, this is the one graph, madam. And now we can create the shadow of graphs also. First, shadow means, madam, okay, you can see the bar graph this way, and okay, shadow will be at bottom, madam. Okay, we can create that graph also. For that also we need what is it? Shape. Yes, madam, lollipop and all. Okay, I take, madam, for this I have to create one calculated field, madam. Create the calculated field. Simply you can say negative cells. That's it, madam. One is a positive cells, another is a negative cells. Okay. Yes, madam. To get the negative values, madam, for the same negative cells. Okay. Now I go to the state. I think we need more values. Then it looks good, madam. If we add more values, so I go to the state. Where is the state? Yeah. State I take it, madam, here. Sorry, in the rows, no, in the columns I take it. Now sales I take it here. At the same time, negative sales also. Okay, you can see this is it. Okay, now okay, I can simply change here this way, madam. Okay, I just remove all these things. Sorry, header I don't want. Okay, okay, I want only top 10 or top 20 states, madam. I will take, okay, rather than taking all the things by sales, right? Top, okay, 25, let's say. Now you can see only top 25, madam. Okay, now you can increase the size also little bit if you want. Okay, or you can decrease the size also. Okay, you can decrease the size also, but for this you need to remember, you can see more values. Now, this. Okay, now here I apply some color, madam. Format, I go here, format, shading. Okay, for pen I just apply this color. Okay, yeah, maybe this color. Okay, I graph I apply white color. For one graph I apply little white color. Just this is also one. Okay, you can, if you want header, or you can hide the header also. That's manual. Okay, just put it in this way. This graph. Just to shadow means that way it can come. Save value, but we can show the values here. Okay, if you want to only show value in the top,
Just a
madam,
reflection.
just reflection. That's yeah. For okay, sales I place in the labels, madam. Okay, in the labels I put it in the middle. You can simply keep it in the middle. Hello. Yes, madam. నేను ఫ్రీ అంటారా 4 కట్ వస్తారు మేడం 4 ఏమన్నా యాక్చువల్గా నేను వచ్చి మీరు రండి ఈరోజు అట్లా 4 కల్లా రండిలే మేడం అయితే ఒకసారి ఓకేనా నేను కొంచెం బిజీగా ఉన్నాను అందుకనేసి కుదరలేదు 4 కల్లా ఒకసారి ఏమన్నా రాగలరా మేడం అయితే 4:30 సరే మేడం ఒకసారి వచ్చే ముందు ఫోన్ చేయండి మేడం ఓకేనా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ నేను చూస్తాను మేడం నాకు కొంచెం టైం ఇస్తారా బై ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద టుమారో ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ మేడం ఓకే ఫైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎస్ if you want to show some values you can show some values. This is also just one of the reflection we can display. Okay, you know we can create okay so many charts we can create it this way. Okay, just we have to explore the things. There are so many graphs. If you go to the Google, different kinds of charts are there. You can just simply practice all this. I can say shadow chart or reflection also. Okay, is that clear, right, madam? Now, shall we go for other charts, madam? Yeah, not a charts actually. We have map reports, madam. Map reports we have, right? Okay, for map reports, madam, we need geographical fields, madam. Okay, without geographical fields, we cannot create the map reports, madam. Geographical means state, country, city. These are required, madam. Okay, for that also we need longitude, latitude values, madam. Longitude, latitude values also. Okay, if I say country here, madam, okay, if I say country, simply I drag it a country here. If I say sales here, madam, okay, now these are enabled, madam. See, these two enabled because it is a state is a geographical field, madam. Okay, if I don't give this one, madam, ship date or ship mode, if I give, suppose, okay, where is that? Okay, we added so many columns, that is, yeah, if I say segment or something, madam, no, this is not enabled because okay, state is a geographical field. Okay, then this can be enabled. See. Okay, if you click this one, the map report will be created, madam, by default. See. It will come to load this one. Takes some time actually sometimes.
Maps is like
Yes, madam. Map can take. It takes some time. Loading takes some time. Here also the bubble size is based on the value only. The bubble size, sum of sales wise. Yeah, again it takes some more time. let's load but it has to pick the from the Google map or somewhere, street map something. It is a separate website, it has to pick from there, madam, actually. Yeah, it's online actually. Okay, or we can go for other map also. It is simple, very easy, it can come actually, madam. Okay, it is a filled map. Okay, sorry, it is a filled map, madam. It is a dotted symbol or dotted map actually. Filled map, madam, there are states, right? This is the Washington, madam. Within the US, madam. Okay, simply you can see all the states with some color, madam. Okay, if you want to, you can change the colors also. This is the thing you can. Normally we regularly use this one. This way we can see, madam. Oh, sorry, reset I gave. This one, this one we regularly use. Okay, you can see, madam, for lowest value this is the color, madam. For highest value this is the color. Okay, you can simply display the labels also here, and if you want to display the state also, state drag into the labels. This is also one kind of map report, madam. This is the filled map. The total state will be filled with some other color, madam. If I say here the map, madam, here we can do some of the geocode, madam, and edit locations also. Here, madam, suppose, okay, if anyone is not recognizing value, madam, okay, you can simply, okay, enter your custom geographical, madam, enter longitude latitude values. Okay, let's say if I add one record, madam, into the sheet, there is a tab videos looks right. Okay, documents I go, my tab repository, data sources, then sample superstore. Okay, at the end if I go here, I copy, there are sorry, it is not copy. Yeah, copy and paste, madam. Okay, if I add some of okay, state is there, right, madam? This is the state, madam. Here if I say Telangana, okay, or Pradesh, okay, Delhi, let's say there are 4 names. Okay, which is this one? Long bench. Oh, it is a city. Okay, no problem. Okay, Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Punjab or something. Okay, these are the values I added, madam. States, madam. I just put in the states value. Okay, I saved it here.
United States అట్లా పెడతారా?
Yeah, in because this United States, madam, this state won't find it, madam. Right, then we have to enter manually. Okay, if I give India, it automatically comes, madam. Okay, just
Geographical overview.
yes, madam. It will check the state, the country and state actually. Now, if I go and refresh this data, there are 6 records around, madam. Unknown came actually. We added around 6 records, right, madam? 6 records, unknown came. And okay, if you go to the map also, madam, here, edit locations. Hello? ఏమి చెప్పు. 1 గంటకి వస్తా, బాయ్. 1 o'clock వస్తాను. See madam, these are not recognized. Okay, country is United States, but state I am defining is something. So if you want, we can, okay, now actually we can enter the values madam. Okay, like to identify longitude, latitude values, we can simply go here.
This is CNET, and here are the stories that matter.
Longitude and latitude values in India. Okay, this is for India. India states. State we can select. I want for Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, this is the longitude value madam. Okay, it is Andhra Pradesh madam. First one, go here, enter longitude, latitude values madam. Longitude here, just copy this one and go to the latitude values also. Okay, now Delhi. So enter this one, go here, state, so is Delhi. Oh, it is same or what? Delhi it is. No, if we say Karnataka, it is not changing, right, madam? Okay, if I say Gujarat,
So we need to submit it like in the
okay, submit करने okay. Oh, okay, okay. We need to select and submit. Yeah, Andhra Pradesh, then submit it. This one actually, Andhra Pradesh, submit it. Or I think we can get the list of longitude and latitude values also, right? Yeah, list. Oh my God. Is there, madam? Okay, under latitude values, India states. Yeah, Indian states. Take some more time. Hmm?
Net
Yeah, net is slogan actually. Yeah. Okay, here we can see madam, all of them. Okay, this is the latitude. Go here. This is for, sorry, this is for Andhra Pradesh. Latitude this one. Okay, longitude this one. Okay, for Delhi now, enter values. I think Delhi, this one here. Simply copy and paste it, all these things. Karnataka, if I say. Okay, then will be Karnataka also. Okay, yeah. Simply you can select this one, copy, paste it here. Okay, even Punjab. Enter this one. somewhere we can see the values, madam, in India. That all the longitude latitude values comes in India, madam. See now.
Okay.
Even that is in different. Okay, in that United States, those states are not identified. So if we give manually, see, it will come like this, madam.
There is something discrepancy here. Either the data what you entered in the data source is not right.
Here, yes, madam. That is not right actually. So manually we are giving.
India map.
Okay, if I say India country, madam, then it automatically identifies within India. So country is different, but states are not different. So it is not identified. So we can give all these things. Okay, this way also we can just manually enter the longitude latitude values, madam. Okay. Yes. Yeah, if you suppose, madam, we can create one file, madam. It is manually, it is very tough, right, to enter all these things. Okay, if it is a states, okay, for each country we have a limited set, but I want villages also, or I want cities also, then it is very difficult to enter, madam. We can create a file and we can upload it, madam. Sorry, not this one. Okay, map here, import custom geographic code. Okay, we have that one. To create that file, madam, okay, we have one format actually. Okay, to create that file we have one format, madam. Let me show you that one. I think if I click a Gmail, somewhere I forwarded to someone. Sent items. Where is it? Custom geo. Custom geo. Think there you might be can see this one. Charts new features. No. Tab, yeah, this is the zip file actually. We can simply download this all this thing.
Here also I have not put on this.
Yeah, permission. Yes. Okay, it is downloading. It's fine. In the meantime. Okay, annotations. I will send all the things, madam. Again, this is also geographical code. I want this one as well. Okay. At the same time, I want all these things. I have to take all of different way. Okay, it will come later. I will forward this on, madam. This number. Tab right. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this is the geographical folder. Yeah, to enter geographicals. See, madam, this is the format we have to enter, madam. If it is a country name, if it is a state name, then longitude. Okay, for state you are giving longitude, latitude values, but you need to enter the country also. Then only it can identify, madam. This is the format we have to give. And if I go for, let's say, madam, okay, I am only entering for country's longitude, madam. Then you have to give country name, longitude, latitude values. That's it, madam. Okay, now if you want to for state, you have to give longitude, latitude value. You have to give the country name, state name, longitude, latitude values for state. Okay, if you want to city also, okay, you have to give the country name, state name also you have to give, city name and longitude, latitude for city, not for the state and country. This is the format we have to prepare the file, madam. Okay, if you want zip code, postal code also, country name you have to give, say zip code and postal code. If you want area code also, we can give. But in the hierarchy level you have to give country name, state, city, then area also. Then we have
Area and then the longitude.
then the longitude, latitude for that particular city. Then that is the format, madam. Okay, see, you can see, thank you. Then we can, okay, put it in the here, madam, import file. See, we can import the file in the CSV format we have to create, madam. That can be imported into the tablet. Okay, see, click import then. Right, that is the document, madam. Actually, it is just I copied from the Tableau site itself, madam. It is available in the Tableau site as well. But I sent you already this document. Okay, even this is not our part, madam. Basically, it is administration part. My can say admin people can take care of all these things. Custom geographical field.
Okay, but where do you add all these things in the thing? They మనం file మనం import చేసుకొని create చేసుకోవాలి.
Yes, madam. We have to import it first. You have to create the CSV file. Then we can go here, madam. Map, geographical, import.
Import first.
Okay,
Okay. ఒకసారి ఎక్సెల్ వెళ్ళండి.
madam, Excel ఇక్కడ Excel madam. Yes, madam.
ఇక్కడ all the way back scroll చేయండి to the right. So you don't have any geographical or longitude or latitudes mentioned here.
All right, madam.
So it's going across with the
Yes, madam. It will
margin
take
here.
the color state name, madam. Actually,
State name, country name, and then it does it by itself behind the
right
scenes.
behind this actually. By default, it is we have actually. If you want custom, but it we don't have a data for like cities also. Then we can add it actually. That is the geography. But we should remember geo whenever creating the map reports, longitude, latitude is mandatory. Okay. Right. You can simply zoom and zoom out also. Then it is recording, still recording, right? How many? 53 minutes. Yeah. Right. Now, okay. Shall we go for other in the map report only? This is the one. See, this is the country came, madam. See. Okay. United States. Okay. In India also few. Then just to zoom in, madam, we can see. Now it is loaded actually as a map. Okay, all the things we can see, madam. If you want, you can simply, yeah, you can increase that values also. And if you go map and map layers, madam, okay, if you want light or dark or normal something, you can simply change the map reports also. Okay, little I can add this also. Or if I want light, it is a light color. If you want a normal, this is the normal color. See, madam. Okay, we can change the, and you can add few of the things, madam, here. Let's see, you can change the colors also. Per state, by state, we can say. See, you can simply change the colors also. Okay, I want red or something like this. Okay, this is 2007 per capital income wise it is saying actually, or we can select household wise also. Okay, or housing units, thing like this.
Just housing units ఇవన్నీ మనకి లేవు కదా. It's
This
only
is
the common.
no, this is by default they gave. They gave
Okay.
actually population wise also we can select it. Each state wise population. Then also we can display, or by country you can display. Okay, these are the colors also we can specify. Or if you don't want, just simply reset it, it will come as a first mirror. Okay, and if you want to display the coastal lines also, these are the coastal lines, madam, right? Okay, or and area code boundaries, area code labels, boundaries and labels. So it is change madam, and the area code boundaries. So this the areas this added madam actually. Okay, whatever how you want to display, just we have to play with the this all options available. Just we have to play with the options madam. But two types of geographical, one is a filled, one is a dotted madam. Okay, here this one, right, you can change the shapes also. It is not only one shape you are displaying, you can change the shape also. Any shape you want, simply go and change anything this way. Okay, we can display this way also, or we can display line graphs also here madam. See. Okay, each and every state it will cut. Or if you want to bar also, we can display the bar. Bar it is not suitable actually, just line and area can be used. Line, this is the area. Okay, area, area also not is just line. Okay. For each state madam it will connect actually, state also it will connect. And we have India madam, that is why this line is going actually to India.
Yes.
It is has to contact, right, so it is going to, here there are some values, it is connected here as well. Okay. You can simply decrease the size of this. Okay, change the color for this. Okay, these are the map reports. Okay, map reports is just focus on longitude, latitude values, then filled area and the graphic area. These two madam. Okay, any questions madam till here?
So map charts.
Yes madam, map charts. Any questions madam till here? Okay. Yes madam, these are the graph we created madam actually. And here this is the highlighted table. It is a table only, but a simple highlight table. But I think I never discussed about the table madam. This is the simple actually, we didn't discuss this one. But most of the reports also comes for the table also. Okay, this is the maps. Okay, now 37 slide. Okay. Okay, where is the geography? Yeah, I just added this one here madam. And now go to the state here, go to the city here. Okay, I want the values madam, profit. Okay, if I see madam, if I don't have a measure values, it always ABC will display madam by default. Okay, now if you want to remove this ABC, we don't have any option madam. No, exclude, no madam, exclude, the value will go actually. Okay, we don't have any option madam. What we can do madam, we can simply format it madam. Okay, if I go to the here, okay, I think it is the, see, that way we have somewhere we can just format it madam. Okay, if I go to the plain color, it is not, and header also we can, it is came for all right. Colors, title, oh this is title, I want to do this one as well. Okay, yeah, this one we can simply hidden it, other than this we don't have any option to do that.
We don't have label or
Yes,
detail.
Yes madam, if you don't have a measure values actually, we cannot hide that ABC. It is the drawback in this madam actually.
Okay. It will automatically show.
Automatically ABC will be remain same madam. We don't have any option. Just we have to do some workaround. Workaround means just to doing some other color or something we can add. Suppose if I add any measure madam, because suppose if I add any one measure, then the ABC will go. Okay. And you can add n number of things madam. Okay, see, if I add this one, there are two measures, right madam? Simply go and select this one, this way, profit and sales. But I want only one measure madam. Let's say I just took only one measure, but the name is not there. But I don't know what this one madam, right? In that case, what we can do, madam? Here there is a measure names, madam. Simply drag it here, madam. Okay, here no measure come. Then you can put the aliases here as a sales. Okay, now you can do that. Okay, for one measure, madam, by default the header won't come, madam. Okay, then the measure names you have to drag it here. Then aliases, okay, you can create the sales. But there are, it is not good for the list reports like a table reports, madam. Okay, for other reports it is very good. For the table reports, Tableau is not good. Okay, you can add more values, madam, like more column. I think it accepts only 32 columns. There are some limitations, madam. The limitations we can find in the Tableau Expert, madam. There is a site, I will say Tableau Expert. BLEAU Tableau Expert. Okay, if they give little bit of scenarios and also, madam, here. Okay, my observations, I think my observations you can see here, madam. My observation. Say more than 16 dimensions is not in the, okay, not possible in the table layout, madam. Okay, we have approach but not recommended by Tableau. Only maximum 16 dimensions, 16 columns we can add it, not more than that. Okay, side by side bar with line chart is not possible. Okay, these are the, okay, exporting all dashboards or all sheets in a single dashboard into a single Excel sheet is not possible. These are the limitations which you have in Tableau. Okay, in someone asks what are the limitations, at least we can read out few of them, madam, at least. Okay, if you remember 4 or 5, and we can, okay, we can see some of the real-time challenges also, madam. Okay, how they are. Do you feel, okay, something they give, okay, they give the scenario how you are going to create it, madam. They give the scenario, then this is the output they want, how you are going to do it. Okay, we can at least try to do some practice at our end, madam, these things. This is the output they want. Okay, data is like this, madam, but they want output like they are expecting this way. Okay, try to. This is the challenge 1 actually. Okay, but challenge 2, there are challenge 2 as well. See, this is the graph, madam. Okay, they want graph output could be somewhere this way, madam. This way. Okay, I think there could be some data like this. We have to do something. Okay, they give the input and the output, madam, but they don't give the steps. Okay, our steps we have to perform. There are around 15 challenges, madam. We can try them. And this is the real-time challenge and the real-time scenarios also here. Okay, map with the 5 parameter. Okay, gap, removing subtotals, unwanted total. How do you do, madam? Unwanted. Okay, removing subtotals for unwanted columns. What you do, madam? Okay, simply we can collect. Okay, select. We can remove the subtotals here. Suppose subtotals is there for country, state and region. I don't want subtotals for country. Click that country column, subtotals remove, madam. We did it already. Okay, we can here we don't have, because it is we don't have any totals, madam, actually. We go here, total, show grand totals or add all subtotals. Then you can see, madam, totals you can see, right? This is the total, madam. This is for state. If I for central also we have a total, madam. Okay. Somewhere you can see that this is the central total. Okay, but I don't want a central total. Let's say, madam, here go here and remove this unwanted subtotals, we can say. We can remove.
Under the regions. And
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want by the state, you can go to the state. and
Yes,
remove.
madam. For a state it is there. We can simply, if you want, we can remove the totals. Unwanted subtotals we can remove. Yeah, that is the Tableau Expert is okay. Just we can practice few more. We can explore few more things. Tableau Expert as well. Okay, this is okay. This kind of list report we can create it, madam. Okay, if we want more values, profit, see, madam, we can simply add it here. Sorry. simply add in the text box, go here, select this one. There are 2 columns can come, profit and sales. Now you can add a number of things, madam. Okay, see, profit, quantity, discount, you can simply add it here. But here the limitations again, madam. Okay, all measure values comes in the right side only. But sometimes, okay, while creating the reports, madam, the measure values comes in between also, in between dimensions. But here that is not possible. Okay, if you want to make that, madam, what we can do, the discount or profit you have to drag into the dimensions, madam. Okay, profit. Suppose I say profit, madam. Now you can drag it here. Now you can see the profit like this, madam. So profit you can see here.
So by default it comes to the right hand side.
Yeah, by default it is a measure, madam. So it always comes in the by default in the right side. If you want in between, you can select, madam. This is also possible. We have to convert as a dimensions. Then we can drag it. Every reporting tool does the auto group and auto sum, madam. As we discussed, auto group and sum.
Yes.
Okay, if you are not able to identify totals and subtotal, what we can do, madam? Simply we can go and format it. Format, if we go, think of background color for totals, main level, apply some colors, or apply some colors. You can see somewhere, wherever you can see the totals. Okay, there might be blue color. No totals, whatever. Totals. All subtotals. Similar totals for city, totals for this. For grand total, I want different color. Okay, for grand total, you can see at the last. Oh, okay, we have all our totals only, not a grand total. All our subtotals only. We don't have grand totals. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, I want a grand total also. Go to the analysis. Okay, we have a column grand totals. I think you might see at the on the bottom grand total. This is the grand total. If you want to apply, I already applied some color. Grand total subtotals. But I don't want city-wise grand subtotal. Okay, I don't have city-wise subtotal. I don't want state-wise subtotal. Simply remove this one. State-wise. Okay, this is not required. Only no total is on the region-wise totals only. Yes. Any questions on this graphs, madam? Okay, no questions, madam. Here, graphs.
This is tabular, right?
Yeah, this is tabular format, madam. Table. You can say list also. List report, tabular report, or tabular report. Both are similar. Okay, here, madam, this it is also table. Just it highlights some values, madam. Okay, if more than one measure, it is not one. You can say this one. It is rename of tabular format or table format. Table. Now if I go here and add any one value, state something here and say something, if I add, okay, if you want to give some colors, madam, you can simply put this one. It automatically adds some colors, madam. For highest value this color, for lowest value dark one, madam. You can simply go and edit this any colors if you want. Okay, I want this one, let's say temperature wise. See, for highest value we will get this one. This is the highest value. For lowest value, green color somewhere. Okay, just to highlight the some values. Rather than giving the colors and all, it have to just to click this button, it automatically comes. This is also just to, okay, you can say it is a heat map, madam. Okay, it is also highlighting. Okay, just to, this based on the value, the circle or something will be here. You can apply the like circles also. like shapes also we can add in the file. Okay, I want to display the sales here, just display the sales. The entire view. This way also we can display. Okay, just increase the size of it. Oh, this never comes, this report actually. That's fine. Yes, madam. Any questions, please let me know till this part. From tomorrow, we can start little bit advanced concepts, madam. That groups, okay, sets and all, things and all. But from here, it practice is more requirement. These all are navigations actually. From tomorrow, little bit advanced. But easy those concepts also. But we should understand. If you need one day time, take tomorrow time, practice and come on Tuesday. Or if you want to continue, I can continue.
అంటే how many days it will take from one day, అంటే how many days it will take from tomorrow to cover up everything?
No, it maximum take madam now 15 hours from here. 15 hours from here. Almost we completed 15 hours I think madam. That's it, no? Okay, it takes around 15 hours now, from now. Okay, if you practice then okay tomorrow if you want to come Tuesday I'm fine or we'll continue also then if later on you can practice. Or next Sunday we'll take
So
coming
Saturday we have a puja at home.
Okay, so yeah, then Saturday will take off, then Sunday will continue. Saturday you do the practice, and Sunday will continue. This is also fine.
Definitely I'm not happy.
Oh, Sunday you will come, madam?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is also fine.
This recording also works now, so this
Ah, no, recording is there now. Oh, at least we are trying.